Welcome, everyone, to our third BDD workshop, Setting Realistic Ritual Prevention Goals. Goals for BDD can be multiple. They can be long-term, they can be short-term. But first, in order to get us settled in for today's talk, I want you to think about the breathing exercise we did last week and just really try to center yourself and breathe deeply. And if you'd like to, you can close your eyes. What I'd like you to do is visualize what your life will look like when you've recovered from body dysmorphic disorder. So think about something that you would like to accomplish long-term and how you would like your life to be once BDD is no longer in your life. So perhaps it's taking a trip that you just feel like you can't take right now just because you'd be too socially anxious to do it. Perhaps it's starting to do art, if that's something you've always wanted to do. Perhaps it's learning how to dance, or perhaps it's simply getting into a long-term relationship or getting married or having children. Whatever it is that you feel that BDD has taken away from you, try to visualize what your life will be like when BDD is no longer an impediment to your dreams and goals. And just try to hold that feeling. Try to get yourself into that place. And primarily, I want you to also believe that it's possible to recover from body dysmorphic disorder. I have, and I know that with time, skills, and treatment, it is possible to recover from body dysmorphic disorder.